KRY Series Temperature Flow Control System. Product Overview. This series of equipment is specially developed for power battery testing in the new energy industry. It integrates temperature, flow, remote monitoring, data acquisition, program control, and other functions. The main configuration includes circulation pump, compressor, electronic expansion valve and pressure sensor, etc., which can well guarantee the test conditions regardless of high or low temperature. Power supply conditions. When connecting the power supply, use a 3-phase 5-wire industrial plug and socket. The standard configuration is 3-phase AC 380V 50 Hz. When the green light of the phase sequence protector indicator is on, it means there is no fault. When the red light appears, it means reverse phase failure, or overvoltage, and the electrician needs to check one by one until the green light comes on. When choosing insulation materials, the temperature range of the equipment should be considered first. The suitable temperature range of the insulation material should include the temperature range of this equipment and have a margin greater than 30 degrees Celsius. The 3-color light can feed back the operating status of the entire equipment. Red, alarm indication status. Green, normal operating status. Yellow, standby status. When carrying, lift and place lightly, and do not tilt more than 60 degrees, otherwise the equipment system will be damaged. Special reminder: every time you move or transport the equipment, please let it stand for 30 minutes before starting to use the equipment.